Do you dream of becoming a successful content creator, but you feel like you have so many passions and you have no idea which one to pick and how to decide on your niche? Then this video is for you. Today I'll share how you can use your multi-passionate nature to your advantage and how to get clear on your niche. If you keep chasing all your passions at once, your message will be diluted, the social media algorithms won't know who to show your content to, and you'll get little visibility. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pick the right niche and focus your energy so your passion can actually make you impact and income. Without further ado, here are the 3 steps. So step 1 is choose your biggest passion. When it comes to our purpose and passion, I think we can tend to overcomplicate things. So I was really struggling with finding my niche as a business owner when I started out. I was trying out having a translation agency. I tried drop shipping. I did content creation in so many different niches like travel, business, spirituality. I was all over the place. And when I tried niches and business ideas but maybe I had more experience in, for example, translation, that I would lose motivation. So that's why you want to pick your biggest passion, because it's going to take time to build up an audience, to make money from your content. So it needs to be something that you're passionate about and can talk about all the time without getting tired of it. Otherwise, you're just going to end up switching niche in the future. I had a call with a client the other day and he was really confused what to choose: recruiting, teaching recruiters how to recruit more effectively, or how to create home workouts to lose weight, to get your dream body. And I asked him, what are you most passionate about? He said, well, I have most experience in recruiting because that has been my work, but I also got my dream body through home workouts, and that's what I'm really passionate about. That is what I read about in my free time. That's what I'm nerdy about. And he realized that he had been overcomplicating things, and it was actually really easy to choose which niche to do. And if you want to dive deeper into what your purpose is, then download my free guide, How to Find Your Purpose, link in the description. Step 2 is define your ideal avatar. Because here's the good news. You don't have to pick a specific niche, for example, business, spirituality, cooking. Instead, you just have to pick one avatar. And usually this will be a younger version of you, right? You overcome something and now you're teaching people who have not overcome it and who are still struggling with it. For example, let's say that you were a stressed out stay-at-home mom and you want to help other stay-at-home moms feel more at peace. Then you can create content like organizing the home, cleaning tips, how to make your baby fall asleep faster, be less screamy, work from home ideas so that you can feel you have more money coming in, so you feel more peace that way. And as you can see, these are all different topics, but they're all related to that one ideal avatar, a stay-at-home mom. And you only want to have one. You don't want to, for example, also do content for career men who want to learn how to get a promotion, best meal deliveries for busy professionals. That's a different avatar, so the algorithm are going to get really confused of who to target your videos to. And if you want help turning your chosen passion into a spiritual business that makes impact and income, then watch my free workshop on my 4-step process to creating a soft life business. Link in the description. Point 3 is to define your content buckets. And you want to have around 3 or 4 content buckets. And here is where you're using your multi-passionate nature to your advantage. Because if you are, let's say, a business influencer, you don't want to talk just about business, because then you're competing with every other business influencer out there. So you want to pick 3 categories that your ideal avatar is interested in. So for me, it's business, spirituality, and soft life, because they feel unfulfilled in their 9-to-5 jobs. They're spiritual seekers, they're empaths, so they want to have a soft life so they can focus on their spiritual growth and have a life full of freedom and time for themselves. So what 3 buckets would it be for your avatar? That is my action item for you to figure out. So as you can see, your unique passions, your unique life experience creates this flavor that maybe not many other people in your niche has. So it can actually make you wealthy being this multi-passionate. So it is not a bad thing. Now you might be wondering, how do I actually monetize this content? Well, there are many different business models. So next up, watch my video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Link in the description or somewhere around this video.